So in the API challenges.herokuapp.com, where we've got testing challenges, one of the challenges is around mixed accept and content type. And this next challenge, the post to-dos JSON to XML, means issuing a post request on the to-dos endpoint to create a to-do using content type JSON. So I'm giving it JSON, but I want to accept XML back. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go off and get all the to-dos, but in JSON format, because I'm going to create a new one in JSON and I just want the format. So there we go. Then I'll go off to my post to-dos create content type, which is doing a post on the to-dos endpoint. Currently that's set to XML format. So I'll set that to JSON format so I can send in the JSON that we want. Get rid of the ID for a second. Then in the headers, it should be issuing with a content type JSON and accepting XML. So let's put that in. So I'm going to say that this should be done state true, and this is JSON to XML. Create JSON to XML. And double check headers. We've got a challenger, so we're tracking. We're accepting XML back. We're sending JSON in. So if I send that through, we should get a 201 created, and there's our to do in JSON, create JSON to XML. There's the title, create JSON to XML, but we're seeing it in XML format. So that seems to have worked. And now if I refresh the challenges, we should see that that challenge is complete. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.